Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and license so the install can run without interruptions. Back up your files to an external drive or cloud. Once done, verify you have 20 GB free and the correct Windows 10 key or digital entitlement. Next, create boot media using the media creation tool on a working PC. Use a 8 GB USB. Make sure drivers for network and storage are available. This prevents a halt during setup and lets you continue smoothly into installation. You boot the PC from the USB installer and walk through language and keyboard prompts, then choose Upgrade or Custom. If you pick Custom, select the correct partition, format only the target drive, and keep your backup handy. This avoids overwriting other disks. Once files copy and Windows restarts, sign in with a local account or Microsoft account and let Windows Update fetch drivers. Make sure to install chipset, graphics, and network drivers to stabilize performance and connectivity. You finish the out-of-box experience by setting privacy options, choosing sign-in methods, and allowing updates to install. Once complete, restore files from your backup and reinstall applications. Make sure Windows shows as activated under Settings. Enter your key if it did not auto-activate. If something goes wrong, immediately use Settings Recovery to roll back within 10 days, or reboot into safe mode and run Startup Repair and sfc/chkdsk. These quick recovery steps resolve most boot and driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.